See you. Have a nice day. Yeah, yeah. Catch more, catch more. Here's nice. So there's no payment into fishing here, just only the parking area. Yeah, there's a Songdo. Songdo. Songdo Sky Park. Songdo Sky Park.
Parehas na ano?
Yun.
Normal yan sa kanina kayang buhok.
Yo, talaga yun ang ano dito.
Hindi kanya iba. Helmet ang motor.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going back. We're going back.
Sa bahay ka nagluluto.
Okay.
Sarap.
That's it. We're going back. So, this is ours. Next one is ours. The good thing, so 8 of us, we're gonna have the whole capsule. Is it capsule? Jamida. It's a cabin. Okay. Still not the same. I think this is the next one. Yep.
Nagtataka talaga ako sa premium. Kung ano yun, ba't ang mahal? Yung ano.
Wala siyang flooring.
Eh, glass man, yung naman sa premium, yung ano, pang isa. May isa pa talaga ng 240,000. Kita mo yun? Pero,
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
tama ba ako?
Baliktad ka mami.
Ay, baliktad! Kami pala baliktad, baliktad. Yan. Kasi kami kanina pag gano'n. Ayun, dito ka na pa.
Ayaw.
Kasi kanina pag gano'n,
Okay.
okay. Patalikod kami.
Alright.
O kami na.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Super.
Power na wala ng energy.
Okay.
Nalalaginit na ako ng rice. Patay ka. Hindi, masarap talaga. Masarap yung brown. Hindi kinain natin. Makasarap ng rice dito. No, nakakain.
Okay, here we go. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay.
Ayan, kita-kita. Pababa, pababa.
Pababa sila ng pababa.
Pababa na
Pababa. Aha.
Lumak talaga.
Jamida. Right.
Hello.
Hello.
We're going back to reality.
Not yet. We still got one more week.
One more week.
We are here.
One more week. One more week. One more week.
One more week.
Okay. Alright. Hindi kayo nakalakad-lakad doon, no?
Ay.
Yung style na lakad-lakad, no? Nagsawa sa lakad na yata.
Nag-demo kami ng video. Yung parang bawal.
Put it down. Bye.
Wait, we will. Wait. Okay.
Saka yung ano.
Dito mo ano?
Uy, 10,000 steps.
Okay.
Uy, pwede ba? Pwede ba? Huwag yan. Mamaya na kayo.
Balance naman yan.
Oh, sino mag-wave? Oh.
10 minutes.
Yung nasa baba.
Tagal na
Thanks, boss.
They're in the QQ.
What is it?
Load.
A boat?
Cargo.
Oh,
The other one is like a submarine.
they line up to take off. Yeah, that's the big
The
one.
waiting, yeah, the waiting.
Yeah, this is submarine. Submarine. Yeah?
Oh, the long one.
No, the long one.
Oh, kayo ang apat dyan.
No, that one over there.
Jeremy, ano kayo? Usog kayo.
Oh, so kayo.
Tayo kayo.
Usog kayo.
Alright.
One more smile.
Okay.
Usod lang kayo.
Kami rin dito. Kami rin apat.
Nausog na, nausog.
Hindi, okay lang.
Nausog na ka.
Tingin-tingin kayo. Ano sa inyo? Bagay, Thursday, sarado.
Pero nga doon na yung sa labasan. Kahapon, kanina ko lang na-discover. Department store pala dito. Lang niya. Hindi na. Gabi na kasi tayo.
17. Alright, so mga ka-vibes, don't forget to ride the Busan Air Cruise when you are here in
Nagawin
Busan.
kami ng isang pagkakas.
Yeah.
Mag-press na rin kami ngayon.
Okay, that's it.
Kaya mo itong mga ano.
Ay, ang ganda nito. O, tingnan mo, nandun sila sa ano. Ang ganda kuhanan.
Yeah, maganda rin dyan. Pumunta, tumawid.
We're going there. That's it.
Kasi ayaw nyo lang kanina eh. Dahil sabi nyo mga ano.
Now is the
Yeah,
time.
pwede na.
Pupunta ba tayo dyan mamaya? After tayo? Or hindi mo?
Hindi na, gawin na.
Dyan? Punta ko. Dali lang naman yan.
May pawis na.
I know, right?
Buti na lang, walang mga putok. Landed.
Landed.
Touchdown.
Sitting.
Thank you for riding.
Thank you. Yes, that's it. That's it. Alright. Alright.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, bakit basa-basa kayo? Kasi nag-swimming ka sa lahat. Yeah. That's it. Alright. That's it. Alright, good evening, goodbye. So we're here to have dinner. Yeah. We got some dinner over there. Alright. Fresh. Over there. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Aha. Yes. Okay. Okay. Another serving. So this is the start one. Last time is white. And that one. Ooh, the chili. Yeah. Ooh, chili. Okay. Samida.
Gas pa lang to. Natakot ako. Sa puso na yung ano.
Samida.
Sabi, alas 5 pa po ka. Ano na kami? Nagpabok na ako ng taxi 5:30. Pero maaga, ano doon ka na? Aga na mapalate. Kasi mag-check-in tayo, datanong tayo yung immigration kasi di ba na saka naman doon. Maaga tayo
Ano?
Huwag lang tayo ng 3 minutes, tapos sakay tayo ng 7 stop. Tapos, sakay tayo yung papunta NBC, 1 hour 7 minutes.
Nakakawin ninyo. Nakakawin? Sige. Okay na eh.
Oh, yeah.
Sige. Sige.
Sige, sige, sige.
Alam.
Ito unahin natin. Abaludi.
Apa ikaw luto?
Yes.
Ikaw di ko ruho ako da.
Okay.
Hindi ko kabalo magyari. Ikaw na magluto, ani ako manunong mo.
Yan na siya na. Umpisan lang niya. Yun. That's the octopus. That's the pork. And we got 4. Yeah. That's abalone, yeah? Abalone.
Ala, Diyos, oh, look.
Yeah, it's still moving.
It's moving, Josh. It's moving. It's moving. Oh, it's nice.
It's moving.
That's good.
I think that's okay. Kompleto na.
Ano ka?
Suju.
Hindi ka ng great na yung flavor. Naku, kapag great flavor. Natin ang great na suju. O, suju kayo? Yung great natin na suju. Masarap. Sarap yung filter na. Masarap. Ako makakain, hindi ako makacharge.
Okay.
Ay, ikaw naman.
Saan mga kaluti? Look, still moving. Okay. Sinainit dito eh.
Really?
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. It's still moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Okay. Nice. Additional order niyo? Oo. Ramen.
Ano na kaya?
Okay.
Ano yan?
Ramen.
Ay, gusto ko ng rice. Gusto niya sa soup?
Okay lang. Sigurado mahal yan. Baby, you want some soup?
Maybe later. At least you have the rice.
Okay.
Later. Ibig sabihin, ayaw niya. Later.
Later. Okay, it's okay.
Stop na na. Ito lang.
Oh wow, that balloon jump. This one. Jump.
Jump in the ground.
Oh, put it back, put it back.
Just open yung ano. Open yan. Puputok na. Ang baboy yan. Taba ng baboy ah. Ayaw mo lang ng baboy nito. Open na rice.
So we are going to cook first.
What's that? And cheese.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
We'll try this one first with. We should do some. Okay, let's try first the thing. Yeah, we're going to slice this one first.
Hey! Hey! Dili na lang mo. Ay!
abalaw na. Sinisip-sip. Ang bilis na lang gumalaw, ano?
Increase na yan. You wanna increase?
Ba't kanina hindi niya binuksan?
Ayaw talaga ni sa'yo dito. Nakawa ito eh.
Thank you. The safety good.
You will eat down the one that's in the middle, baby, huh?
Which one?
In the middle.
Okay.
Hilaw pang sa ano.
Hindi na yung sa tawa.
Good.
Iniba pa ko.
Ay!
Ay, ay, ay.
So this one, or we can eat this one first. This is quick one.
Very nice.
Josh, your veggie. I-transfer ko na siguro ng luto, papa.
Baby.
Hindi ng luto. Josh, ari ang cook, Josh.
Okay.
Can give me some.
Ari.
The sauce.
Use this one too. Sorry. Use the
Thank you.
Can you got that one?
Thank you. God bless.
Yeah, that's it. Good. Yeah, that's it. You're going to cook your own food.
The ham.
Radish.
Oil.
Mag-uwi man yata ito eh.
Kamay mo niyo. Dos kimchi.
So we got the... Where's my brain?
Ay, ang cheese siguro luto na na mo.
Wait, that last time check na ka. So this one. Wrap it.
Ano ang tapos?
Ganito po. Okay.
Madali kasi yung mga mag-isip. Tapos ang overflow yung mabigat. Hintayin natin.
Ano na yun?
Is it spicy?
Do this. Dapat yung na-filme, memo ko. Here. Okay. Okay, we'll get this. Put something like this. That one. Put something like that. Yeah. Put some wasabi. Wasabi. Drop it.
Hindi ko tayo ng kimchi, babe. Pwede ba tayo humingi ng kimchi, no? Pwede humingi ng kimchi?
Oh, wow. Right? Bisa balon dito. That's a balloon.
Ay, bakit may kimchi? Dami ang madumi. Sarap na ito.
We'll do the balloon. We'll try the balloon itself. How about this? What is this? Maybe this is clam. Yeah?
Oh, clam yan.
Clam. Naku. Oh, that's very good. We want to do that. We want. Very good. Saka na lang.
Tagutom ko ba nila kamarunong pang chopstick? Ay, nahulog.
Oh.
Gusto ko pa ng kimchi.
Oh. Sige, go to tape. Just the extra kimchi. And then that's it. Sarap pala.
At sabihin ng Emma,
Eh, beans na ka? Nahingi ng empty. May ilito na sa beans. Ah. Just get two.
Get it all.
Hindi ka kumakain yan?
Ayaw na. Get it all.
Solo ko mo. Wala na na.
Ha?
Empty na yan.
Ito sa SP.
Okay. Okay. I see. How about this? How about the clam? Where's the clam?
Lahat ng cheese.
Mozzarella.
Where's the clam? Gusto ko dapat yung sabaw ng clam. Yung sabaw niya, pero naubos. But some. Yeah, the clam soup. What happened?
How many hours nga? 4 hours, no?
Alam.
Dito to Osaka. Akala niya pala tatlo.
Wow. Kahit na sabaw lang yung sa akin, okay na yun. Yung saklam, sabaw lang.
Sabi sila ako sa rest.
Babalong with burn. Babalong with nice. How's the rice with it? Ayan it down. Just the soup a little bit down. Wow.
Hindi ka nag-rice, Em? Ha? Hindi ka nag-rice. Kasi ito, sarap. Iba yung rice nila kasi.
Clam.
Anong rice ko na? Sarap rice. Ah, sabi ko makanto. Yeah, the cheese is so nice. Then you put it in your beer.
So they don't finish it. So we'll finish that one. The ramen. Yeah, look at the ramen. Okay, this is my bite. So we're going to finish it. So once again, we'll put it like here. Bye-bye.